not get these employment opportunities.
Mancho Mariere na sensemerie chigosori nigo amaigerio ase aborokia bechtimu au na bego chirefari agenderete imeyo muchobo songo ase baine kiribuna nigo beariganite kegima ase chigosori chikageire gochaka ase obwango kegima amange tigateguna twariganire na ndemo Stephen
Stretch.
Amatuko makeigo erio chiligi chia Division 2 Nyanza Regional League na chiriche chikaunti koiranirira nigo gati ya baorokia banene bechi team bagendrete na maigerio ariganiri na Football Kenya Federation.
Chi coach as by today by kire every 20, which is a good number, and the age average age ndo chenechi youth. So move to the differences between the coaches and the referees. Chirichialing last season na kitu arorenga tigato to have this program to harmonize both parties to have the same program in the same venue at the same time.
Aba bwatani bomoroberio yo kurwe kiombe gia FIFA bagokero kubwatira na batwarire na baorokia balense omoroberio yo.
But here I'm at least impressed that they are on a certain level, despite the fact that they haven't attended any course. But I've realized that the courses that have been done previously probably have impacted the lives of the coaches that we are seeing today. There are 5 substitutions and you have to do them 3 times. So the coach should know on how to play with the same rules. Something that I'm seeing in the World Cup is the extra time. You realize that now it goes up to 10 minutes. So if you're a coach and you're leading and you decide to delay time, just know it will eat on your side because the time will still be added.
Gati ya baorokia bechi team basanga na Ndizi TV mbanya gokera amaigiro banyorire asebiri baso migu barachiko bitumeka ase team chiabo.
Arre nagingunya ko bange training ya nasa abana babake na abana ntelisa big difference. Munye tuwaga bakende bonsi yama twanya to misira abana babake abane twanya bamimba barombi yaba.
Unabona igabona kulingana na mangana twanya konyora si training ya lero igusikuru kuda twachagete anyora mafunzo ara mange sana ekoro kimuna abantu baito konye ground inkora somi to lakini ndiri ko baro kibindu bwenderete negwitira mafunzo ya gwikira bona iga nimbua to bua kale and nimbua to wena muni team ya nemba Kenya konyisuko simon
Coaches ngosoma bali from referees na referees ngosoma bali korwa as coaches. I want to believe those differences chialengo rokiro montaro chinari special than the other will now minimize this season. Come next season mnatoka chaka county league na regional league.
Abaorokia banene korwa sorongo rwa Gusii nigo bachengeire omoroberi bwa maorokio warire kiombe gia Football Kenya Federation asebona batero na biribonsi babire ko babagwesomia sensemeye mbaine kibuna banyale korokia abagosori babo buya eliobero berike boikera nubosi bwe chigosori chiabo. Kuripoteri ya Ndizi TV kurwa iga sense omo ya Getembe ireteria nende mo Stephen Captain 001.